बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम अगेन। आप सभी का एक और बार खैर मुकदम हमारी इस फेसबुक चैनल और हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, एक और नए दिन के साथ और एक नए मैच के साथ। आज का मैच जो है वो चुक्कर ज़ालिमी वर्सेस BCC बहरमपुरा के दरमियान खेला जाएगा इंशाल्लाह। द टू टीम्स आर चुक्कर ज़ालिमी वर्सेस BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. The two batsmen for BCC Bahrampura is Junaid and Rafiq Baba, and Abdul Ahad Naiku is the bowler for Injan Rashid is the bowler. First ball, first over of this match. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukkar Tulba ground, third edition. The two teams are today, they are BCC Bahrampura versus Chukkar Zalmi. First BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. So this is the first over, first delivery of this match. Ishfaq, engineer Ishfaq, pehla over on strike. Junaid is on strike. Last hope Bilal match kisko hai. Thank you last hope sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Chukkar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura, today's match in T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukkar Tulba ground. This is a very important match here, and आप सभी का खैर मुकदम इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर में तो जो भी देखने वाले इस मैच का, वो इस मैच का घर बैठे मज़ा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले। और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिलीवरी बाय इंजीनियर, दिस इज 6 फॉर द बैट्समैन जुनैद, एंड दिस इज 6। पहले है गेंद पर छक्का, 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम जुनैद और अपने टीम BCC के नाम। द स्कोर इज 6 एंड दिस इज फर्स्ट ओवर, फर्स्ट डिलीवरी 6 for Junaid, 6 for BCC Bahrampura. This is a full toss delivery by engineer Ishfaq. Here the two teams are BCC Bahrampura versus Chukkar Zalmi. Last hope video quality good. Thank you. Thank you last hope sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again engineer Ishfaq to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is a great delivery. Well delivery, good comeback by the bowler engineer Rashid. No run score remains on 6 without any loss. The two teams are BCC Bahrampura versus Chukkar Zalmi today. Again this is good shot played by the batsman Junaid, and very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves on 7 without any loss. This is first over of this match between Chukkar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. Engineer Ishfaq again to the batsman Rafiq. Oh, this is good delivery. Very good delivery. Oh, this is great delivery by engineer Ishfaq. Beat the batsman Ashik. No run score remains on 7 without any loss. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukkar Tulba ground. आप सभी का खैर मुकदम इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में। Again engineer to the batsman. Here is the chance of a catch, but missed by the keeper Tawfiq Noor, and also very good delivery, but the two batsmen take a single. Oh, here is a miss, and this is a 4. Just 5 runs for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 12 without any loss after 1 over. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए, और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले वो इस ब्रॉडकास्ट का, इस अहम मुकाबले का मजा ले। सो दिस इज फर्स्ट ओवर एंड फॉर BCC Bahrampura. They make 12 runs without any wicket. Abdul Ahad, he is on his first over. This is second over of this match. This is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 13 without loss. Rafiq Baba, he is on strike. Abdul Ahad Naiku, the senior cricketer of this area. This is a single gear taken by the two batsmen. Very good running by between the wickets by the two batsmen Junaid and Ashik. With the single, the score moves to 14 without any loss. This is second over of this first inning between the two teams. This is again Abdul Ahad Naiku. He's again to the batsman Junaid. Oh, very good delivery. Beat the batsman Junaid. No run. Score remains on 14 without any loss. Imtiaz Hussain, best quality. Thank you, Imtiaz Hussain Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast, and keep share this live broadcast with your friends also. This is again Abdul Ahad Naiku. Oh, this is great delivery. The batsman Junaid wants to hit this ball but cannot touch this. This is dot. No run. Score remains on 14 without any loss. अगर हम बात करेंगे इस अब्दुल अहद नाइको की तो एक मायानाज खिलाड़ी अपने एरिया के. He's again. This is great delivery. Very good delivery by Abdul Ahad. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 15 without any loss. This is second over of this first inning. This is good shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen here was the two batsmen want 2 runs, but only a single for the two batsmen. With the single, the score moves to 16 without any loss. Javed Naiku, ये कौन सी टीम है चुकर की? Thank you, Javed Naiku for shining us with this live broadcast. This is Chukar Zalmi, Abdul Ahad Naiku. He's again. This is good delivery, great delivery by the bowler Abdul Ahad Naiku. No run. Score remains on 16 without any loss after 2 overs. This is Junaid and Ashik for BCC Bahrampura. Pala Tajamul, nice commentary. Thank you, Pala Tajamul Saab, for your love, for your support. Keep share also with your friends, and you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. The two teams are today Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 2 hours, the score on board is 16 without any loss. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा लें और आनंद लें. दिस इज अगेन इंजीनियर रशीद, इंजीनियर आशिफ इशफाक टू द बैट्समैन आशिक. राहत अली की टीम को मैच है. Thank you, Rahat Ali Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is engineer Ishfaq again to the batsman. This is great delivery. Beat the batsman Ashik. No run. Score remains on 16 without any loss. This is Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura today's match. This is again engineer Rashid to the batsman. Ashik wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery by the bowler engineer Ashik. No run. Score remains on 16 without any loss. This is third over of this first inning. So this is very important match today. This is great shot played by the batsman Ashik. This is 4 for Ashik, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. Very good shot played by the batsman Ashik. The score moves to 20 without any loss. This is third over of this first inning between the two teams BCC Bahrampura versus Chukar Zalmi. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. दिस इज अगेन इंजीनियर, हियर इज अ चांस ऑफ अ कैच, बट एट एंड दिस इज नो मैनस लैंड. वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय the bowler engineer Ishfaq. No run. Score remains on 20 without any loss. This full toss delivery by the bowler Ishfaq, and this is 4. Very good shot played by the batsman Ashik. 4 for Ashik, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 24 without any loss. This is a great start for BCC Bahrampura by the two batsmen Ashik and Junaid. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams of today, Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. First BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 2.5 overs, the score is 24 without any loss for BCC Bahrampura. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को इस वक्त देख रहे हैं. This is again wants to hit this ball. Here is an appeal. Very good delivery by the bowler engineer Ishfaq, but This is the third overs of in this first inning. The score on board 24 without any loss. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. This is again Abdul Ahad Knight who is on his second over to the batsman. This is great shot played by the batsman and then very good fielding by the fielder Mehrajuddin, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single the score moves to 25 without any loss. This is fourth over of this first inning. This is Abdul Ahad Knight who is again to the batsman Ashik, and this is great delivery, very good delivery by the bowler Abdul Ahad Knight who beat the batsman. No run score remains on 25 without any loss. This is the first inning of this match between the two teams, BCC Bahrampura versus Chukkar Zalmi. Abdul Ahad Knight who is again to the batsman. Oh, very good delivery, very good delivery. This is great delivery by the bowler Abdul Ahad Knight who beat the batsman Ashik. No run score remains on 25 without any loss. This is again Abdul Ahad to the batsman Ashik. He lays a shot here, very good shot at the end. It is a single for the two batsmen. Two batsmen take a single. With the single the score moves to 26 without any loss. Now Junaid, he is on strike, he is on 9. Abdul Ahad Knight to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great shot played but at the end very good fielding at the end by the fielder Ishfaq, but the two batsmen take 2 runs here. This is good running between the wickets between the two batsmen Junaid and Ashik. The score moves to 28 without any loss. This is the fourth over of this first inning. Again Abdul Ahad. Oh, this is great delivery, but the two batsmen take a single. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. 29 after 4 hours. आज अगर हम बात करेंगे इस मुकाबले एक अहम मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है इस ग्राउंड चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड. This is a T20 third edition Super Cup played at Chukkar Tulba ground. The two teams are today BCC Bahrampura versus Chukkar Zalmi. First BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 4 hours the score on board is 29 without any loss. Junaid, he is on 12 and Ashik, he is on 16. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. Hamid Abid, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Is this first round of this tournament? Yes, this is first round of this tournament. This is today's match is between Chukkar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 4 hours, the score on board is 29 without any loss. Now the new bowler is Sikandar. He is on his first over. This is 5th over of this first inning. The young and energetic bowler Sikandar, he is on his bowling mark. The batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great delivery, but at the end this batsman plays a shot for 4. This is 4 for Junaid, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 33 without any loss. The partnership moves to 33. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. Sikandar, he is again to the batsman Junaid. He is on 16. Oh, this is great comeback. Good comeback by the bowler Sikandar. No run score. Remains on 33 without any loss. Sikandar again to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for Junaid, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 37 without any loss. This is great shot played by the batsman Junaid. Sikandar again on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. He's on 30. Oh, this was toss delivery, and this is good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves 39-38 without any loss. This is again Sikandar to the batsman Ashik. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Ashik, and this is 4 for Ashik, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 42 without any loss. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. The batsman Ashik, he moves on 30 in 20 in 15 deliveries. Sikandar, this is expensive over again This is great shot again played by the batsman, but at the end very good fielding. But the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 43 after 5 overs. This is great start for BCC Baharampura. Junaid, he's on 21. Ashik, he's on 21. This is an expensive over. 14 runs in this over of Sikandar. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस मैच का मजा ले, इस मैच का आनंद ले. दिस इज T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today BCC Baharampura versus Chukar Zalmi. BCC Baharampura, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 5 overs, the score on board is 43 without any loss. This is great start by the two batsmen Junaid and Ashik. Junaid, he's on 21, and also Ashik, he's also on 21. अब थोड़ा यहाँ पे पानी का वक्फा क्योंकि गर्मी जो है बहुत ही गर्मी है थोड़ी देर की. The score is 43 without any loss. This is a great start for BCC Baharampura. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले, घर बैठे आनंद ले. सो दिस इज T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today BCC Baharampura versus Chukar Zalmi. First, BCC Baharampura, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 5 overs, the score on board is 43 without any wicket. Lone Rizwan, hi Chukar Zalmi, hi. Thank you Lone Rizwan साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस live broadcast में जुड़ने के लिए. This is Lone Rizwan. Thank you Lone Rizwan साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. This is drunk back here क्योंकि आज बहुत ही गर्मी है. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. सो दिस इज सजाद अहमद. He is on his first over. This is the 6th over of this first inning, and on strike is Ashik. He's on strike. He's on 21. This is 6th over of this first inning. The score on board is 43 without any loss. Sajad, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. This is great delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler Sajad. No run score remains on 43 without any loss. This is again Sajad Ahmad. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. This is another good delivery. The batsman wants to hit this shot, लेकिन वहाँ पे बीच हुए batsman Ashik. This is great delivery by Sajad Ahmad. The score moves on 43 without any loss. Sajad Ahmad, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He's on 21. This is again very good delivery. Beat the batsman Ashik, no run. But here is miss fielding. The two batsmen take 1 run in the shape of extra. The score moves to 44 without any loss. This is great bowling by Sajad Ahmad. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Junaid, he's on 21. Oh, this is great delivery by the bowler Sajad. Beat the batsman Junaid. No runs to score, remains on 44 without any loss. This is great delivery. Great bowling by the bowler Sajad. The score remains on 44. This is sixth over of this first inning of this match. This is again Sajad Ahmed to the batsman Junaid. He is on 21. This is another great delivery. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा आज सजाद ने किया. एक ओवर कंप्लीट किया. The score on board is 45. This is very good bowling by the bowler Sajad. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He is on 21. Oh, this is great delivery, but missed by the wicketkeeper, missed by third. It is by 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 49 without any loss. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. एक अच्छी शुरुआत दिलाई अपनी टीम को इन दो बल्लेबाजों आशिक और जुनैद ने. 49 without any loss. After 6 hours, the score is 49 without any loss. This is good start for BCC Bahrampura. The batsman Ashik is on 25 and Junaid he is on 22. Now the new bowler for Chukkar Zalmi is Mehrajuddin. Mehraj is the new bowler for Chukkar Zalmi. He is on his first over. And this is 7th over of this first inning. Mehraj, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this full toss delivery, but at the end, very good shot played by the batsman. At the end, this is great fielding at the end by the bowler fielder Abdullah. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ 1 रन दिया, 3 रन बचाए. This is 50 up for BCC Bahrampura. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura. Mehraj again to the batsman Ashik. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Ashik, but at the end very good fielding by Nadeem. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 51 without any loss. This is 7th over of this first inning. Mehraj is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Junaid, and this is 4 for Junaid, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 55 without any loss. This is great start for BCC Bahrampura, given by the two batsmen Junaid and Ashik. Junaid he is on 27 and Ashik he is on 26. This is 18 overs match between the two teams. This is again Mehraj to the batsman. The batsman Junaid wants to hit this ball, लेकिन बीच में यहाँ पे एक अच्छी bowling का मुजाहरा. This is a great comeback by the bowler Mehraj. No run score remains on 55 without any loss. This is Mehraj again to the batsman. This is out given by the umpire Shahnawaz. This is great bowling by Mehrajuddin. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Junaid. So this is a good start for BCC Bahrampura. And this is end of Junaid. He make only 27 runs. This is good knock. And this is great bowling by Mehrajuddin. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Junaid. 55 runs on board and they lost 1 wicket after 6.5. Now the new batsman is Salman Ashraf is a new batsman for BCC Bahrampura. This is first wicket for Mehraj. He takes his first wicket in his first over. This is Salman Ashraf on strike, the new batsman for BCC Parampura. He's on strike. Mehraj again to the batsman Salman. Oh, this is great delivery by Mehraj. So this is end of 7 overs. The score is 55 for the loss of 1. Sajjad Ahmed, he's again on his second over. This is Sajjad Ahmed again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He's on 26. Oh, this is great bowling by Sajjad Ahmed. Beat the batsman Ashik. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे beat हुए batsman Ashik. No run score remains on 55 for the loss of 1. This is great bowling by Sajjad Ahmed. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. Oh, this is another good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. This is great running between the wickets. With this single, the score moves to 56 for the loss of 1. Now Salman Ashraf is on strike. अगर सलमान अशरफ की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छा टैलेंटेड और यंग क्रिकेटर है इस एरिया के सलमान अशरफ. ही इज ऑन स्ट्राइक. सजाद. Oh, this is great shot at the end. Very good fielding by Mr. Roop. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए. Very good fielding at the end by the fielder Roop. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 57 for the loss of 1. This is Ashik again. He's on strike. Oh, this is great shot at the end. Very good fielding by Mir Yasir. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 58 for the loss of 1. Mir Mudassir, ये टूर्नामेंट मैच है क्या? Thank you Mir Mudassir साहब. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. This is again Sajjad Ahmed to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Oh, this is great delivery by Sajjad Ahmed. Beat the batsman Salman Ashraf. No run. Score remains on 58 for the loss of 1. This is a great bowling by the bowler Sajjad Ahmed. This is second over of this bowler. He is on his last delivery to the batsman Salman. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. And it's first 6 for Salman. 6 for BCC Parampura. With the 6, the score moves to 64 for the loss of 1. This is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम सलमान ने और अपनी टीम के नाम. The score moves to 64 for the loss of 1. This is a great start for BCC Parampura. After 8 hours, the score is 64 for the loss of 1. In the shape of Junaid, he lost his wicket. He make 27 runs. Very well knock played by the batsman Junaid. Amir, thank you Amir Saab for joining us with this live broadcast of इस live broadcast को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले आनंद ले. So this is again Mehraj to the batsman Ashik. He is on 28. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today BCC Parampura versus Chukar Zalmi. This is Mehraj on his bowling mark. He completed also 1 over and give 6 runs and take one crucial wicket of Junaid. Very well bowling by the bowler Mehraj. Now he is again on his second over to the batsman Ashik. He is on 28 in 24 deliveries. This is Mehraj to the batsman Ashik. Oh, this is another good delivery. Very good delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler Mehraj. Beat the batsman Ashik. No run. Score remains on 64 for the loss of 1. This is again Mehraj to the batsman Ashik. The score is 64. And this is again good delivery. Beat the batsman, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 65 for the loss of 1. Khaki Ejaz Hussain Salman Bhai, thank you Khaki Ejaz for your love to this batsman Salman Bhai. Salman Ashraf is on strike. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हो इस मैच का मजा ले. दिस इज अगेन महाराष्ट्र बैट्समैन सलमान. दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन एंड दिस इज मिस्ड बाय द फील्डर Sikandar. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. This is good shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. 2 runs for Salman, 2 runs for BC Barampura. The score moves to 67 for the loss of 1. Oh, this is a good delivery. Very good comeback by the bowler Mehrajuddin. Here is a misfield. The two batsmen take a single in the shape of extras. The score moves to 68 for the loss of 1. This is Mehraj again to the batsman Ashik. He is on 29. Oh, this is great delivery. Beat the batsman Ashik. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे beat हुए बल्लेबाज आशिक. No run score remains on 68 for the loss of 1. This is first inning of this match between the two teams. Chukkar Zalmi versus BCC Barampura. Oh, this is a chance of a wicket. This was a wicket of Ashik. This was the chance, but at the end, this is well tried by the fielder Abdul Ahad Naiku. At the end, he missed this catch. This is a well try by the fielder Abdul Ahad Naiku. This is luck for the batsman Ashik. After 9 overs, the score is 69 for the loss of 1. Now the new bowler is Roop Mir. He's on his bowling mark. He's on his first over. This is 10th over of this first inning. Amir network problem हो रही है. Anas bhai, thank you. Amir साहब for joining us with this live broadcast. यहाँ पे थोड़ा network issue हमेशा ही रहता है. इसके लिए हम आपसे मुआज़रत खा है. This is Roop Mir. He's on his first over to the batsman Ashik. He's on 30 runs. This is a good start for BCC Barampura. 69 for the loss of 1 after 9 overs. This is 10th over of this first inning. Roop. Oh, this is a chance here, but at the end, this is no man's land. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 70 for the loss of 1. Ashik, he moves on 31. Now Salman Ashraf, he's on strike. He's on 10. Roop Mir again to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. And very good fielding by Engineer Ishfaq. But the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 71 for the loss of 1. This is again Roop Mir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He's on strike. He's on 31. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman and good fielding at the end by Mir Yasir. 4 होना था वहाँ पे. 3 रन बचाए अपने टीम के लिए. 1 रन लिया इन दो बल्लेबाजों ने. The score moves to 72 for the loss of 1. This is great fielding by the fielder Mir Yasir. Again Roop Mir again to the batsman Salman. Salman plays a good shot here. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 73 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. This is again Roop. Oh, this is good delivery by Roop Mir. Beat the batsman Ashik. No run. Score remains on 73 for the loss of 1. This is 10th over of this first inning. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukkar ground. Roop Mir, he's again on his ball mark to the batsman. Here's the chance, but very well tried by the bowler at the end. Cannot take this catch. This was a chance of a wicket. This is end of 10 overs. The score on board is 73 for the loss of 1. BCC Sultan. Very good start for BCC Sultan. यहाँ पे थोड़ा पानी का वक्फा. थोड़ा वक्फा लगेगा क्योंकि पानी का वक्फा है. गर्मी भी बहुत है यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukkar ground. Today the two teams are BCC Sultans versus Chukkar Zalmi. BCC Sultan, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 10 overs, the score on board is 73 for the loss of 1 wicket. So this is a great start for Da.
Сейчас Tomu döktünüz.
So this is end of 10 hours. The score on board is 73 for the loss of 1. This is Ashik, he's on 32, and Salman Ashraf, he's on 12. They need to be give good target, huge target to चुकर ज़ालमी बिकॉज अगर हम बात करेंगे चुकर ज़ालमी की तो बल्लेबाजी में वो अच्छी खासी महारत रखते हैं, खासकर तौफीक, नदीम, नायकू, अब्दुल अहद, लाला, इशफाक, वो बहुत ही गहराई रखते हैं बल्लेबाजी में चुकर ज़ालमी। इनको एक अच्छा सा टारगेट देना होगा, 160-170 का टारगेट देना होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज अ important match at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. After 10 hours, the score on board is 73 for the loss of 1. या थोड़ा पानी का वक्फा। Huh? Imagine ball. Of Khaki Ejaz Hussain, Salam bhai, thank you Khaki Ejaz Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. मेरी तरफ से भी वालेकुम सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams of today, they are Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. First BCC Sultan, they win the toss and they decided to bat first after 10 hours. The score on board is 73 for the loss of 1. This is Sikandar again. He's on his second over. In first over he gave 14 runs. Now he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar Ashraf. He's on 12. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और काटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, और इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हो इस मैच का अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मज़ा ले आनंद ले इस मैच का. सिकंदर अगेन टू द बैट्समैन सलमान अशरफ. द स्कोर ऑन बोर्ड इज 73 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1. दिस इज फर्स्ट इनिंग ऑफ दिस मैच. This is Sikandar again to the batsman Salman. Oh, this is good shot. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का सलमान के बल्ले से. This is great hit by the batsman Salman Ashraf. 6 for Salman, 6 for BCC Sultan. The score moves to 79 for the loss of 1. This is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. He moves on 18 runs. Now again Sikandar. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Oh, this is a chance here of a catch. This is a not good fielding by the fielders of Chukar Zalmi today. This was the chance of a wicket, but at the end Nadeem, he lost this catch. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 80 for the loss of 1. This is again Sikandar to the batsman Ashik. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman, and this is a 4 for Ashik, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 84 for the loss of 1. This is great shot played by the batsman Ashik. दंदनाता हुआ चौका आशिक के बल्ले से. He is on 36 Sikandar, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. मारना चाहते थे आशिक लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज. This is great comeback by the bowler Sikandar. Score remains on 84 for the loss of 1. Sikandar again to the batsman Ashik. This is full toss delivery. Here is another chance. This is 4 for Ashik, 4 for BCC Sultan. The score moves to 88 for the loss of 1. This is a great shot played by the batsman Ashik. Now he is on 40. Mashuk Khan, thank you. Maqsood Khan, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. The partnership is on 33. This is a good shot played by the batsman Ashik. 4 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम अपनी टीम के नाम. This is a expensive over again for Sikandar. यहाँ पे ये कट छटकाने होंगे अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है इस टीम चुकर सालमी को, अगर इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट. हमीद एचबी, थैंक यू. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. हमीद साहब, मकसूद खान, थैंक यू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. दिस इज अगेन सिकंदर, ही इज एक्सपेंसिव, ही इज ऑन अगेन टू द बैट्समैन आशिक. This is 4 for the batsman Ashik and 4 for BCC Sultan, and this is also no ball given by the umpire. This is expensive over by Sikandar. The score moves to Hamid Saab. I am watching from Khayyam Srinagar. Thank you Hamid Saab for watching this live broadcast. This is an important match between the two teams, Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. Sikandar again to the batsman Ashik, and this is a chance of a catch. यहाँ पे चांस था, मौका था लाला के पास, लेकिन लाला ने इस मैच को गवाया, इस कैच को गवाया. He missed this catch. This is not good fielding by the fielders of Chukar Zalmi today. आज 3 के छोड़िए दिए आज चुकर जालमी के फील्डर्स हैं. This was again chance of a catch. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 94 for the loss of 1. This is 11 overs up. Maqsood Khan, thank you Maqsood Khan for your love, for your support. This is 11 overs up for BCC Sultan. The score is 94 for the loss of 1. This is first inning of this match between Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. Now Roop Mir, he's again to the batsman Ashik. Mir Mudassir. This is a great shot and very good fielding by the fielder, but the two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 95 for the loss of 1. This is Salman Ashraf again on strike. He's on 19, and Ashik, he's on non-strike. He's on 45. Mir Mudassir, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast. Also, this is Mir Roop again. The batsman wants to hit this ball, लेकिन पीठ पे यहाँ पे Salman Ashraf. Good delivery by Roop Mir. Beat the batsman Salman Ashraf. No run. Score remains on 95 for the loss of 1. This is 12th hour of this first inning between the two teams, Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. Roop Mir, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman. Salman Ashraf wants to hit this ball, but cannot touch. This is a single for the two batsmen. With the single, the score moves to 96 for the loss of 1. This is Ashik on strike. Adil Dar, thank you. वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. This is Mir Roop again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He is on 46. This is good shot played by the batsman, and this is a very good fielding at the end by the fielder Sajjad. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 98 for the loss of 1. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए इस फील्डर सजाद ने. Rupir again to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Oh, this is again chance. Salame ball. Oh, यहाँ पे एक मौका था कैच देने का लेकिन गवाया नदीम वानी ने. एक और मौका था. 5 कैच छोड़े आज इस टीम चुकर जालमी ने. This was again the chance of a wicket. Catch of Salman, but they lost the chance. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 98 for the loss of 1. Rupir again, he's on his last delivery. Oh, this is great delivery by Miroof. This is end of 12 overs. The score is 98 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले. इस मैच का अपने दोस्तों के साथ आप इस मैच को शेयर करें. एंड यू कैन आल्सो सपोर्ट मी एंड आल्सो वॉच दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. दिस इज लाला, ही इज ऑन हिज फर्स्ट ओवर. अब लाला बॉलिंग करने आए हैं. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए अब तक हमारी आवाज़ और काठी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए और कहां से आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. दिस इज अब्दुल हमीद जिसको हम लाला के नाम से जानते हैं. लाला इज ऑन हिज फर्स्ट ओवर टू द बैट्समैन सलमान अशरफ. This is 13th over of this first inning between the two teams, Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Sultan. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. And then the two batsmen take a single. The two batsmen take 2 runs here. With this 2, the score moves to 100. This is 100 up for BCC Sultan. For the loss of 1, Salman Ashraf, he is on 23 in 14 deliveries. This is Lala Hamid again to the batsman. यहाँ पे मारना चाहते थे सलमान अशरफ लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे. This is great delivery by Lala Hamid. Beat the batsman Salman Ashraf. No run. Score remains on 100 for the loss of 1. Oh, this is another good delivery by Lala Hamid. Beat the batsman Salman Ashraf. No run. सलमान अशरफ मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीट हुए यहाँ पे. मोहम्मद आसिफ अस्सलाम वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. अस्सलाम. This is again a good shot, good delivery, but at the end very good fielding by Nadeem Wani. But cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves to 101 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. This is another good delivery. Here was a chance of a wicket, but wicket keeper missed this catch, and this is a great try here by the wicket keeper Ishfaq. Lala, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Ashik. He's on 47. Oh, this is again chance of a catch. Oh, but this is a 50 for Ashik. He completes his first 50. This is a great shot played by the batsman Ashik. He completes 50 in 42 deliveries. The score moves to 105 for the loss of 1. This is a great knock played by the batsman Mr. Ashik. He's on 51. Now 105 runs after 13 hours for BCC Sultan. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आज बहुत ही गर्मी है इस ग्राउंड पे। आज दो टीमें जो खेल रही है वो बीसीसी सुल्तान वर्सेस चुकर जालमी। First, BCC Sultan, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 13 overs, the score on board is 105 for the loss of 1. The batsman Ashik on strike is on 51 and Salman Ashraf is on 24. Lala Hamid, he completes his first over and gives 7 runs in his first over. Now Mir Roop again. The partnership is a 50 for the two batsmen. Very good partnership between the two batsmen. This is Roop Mir again to the batsman Salman Ashraf. This is great delivery by the bowler Mir Roop. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बैट्समैन सलमान अशरफ, बीट हुए यहाँ पे. This is no run. Score remains on 105 for the loss of 1. Wahid Bashir, thank you Wahid Bashir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Roop Mir to the batsman Salman Ashraf. He is on 24. This is great shot played by the batsman at the end. This is misfielded by Tawfiq Al-Noor and this is 4 for Salman Ashraf. 4 for BCC Sultan. With this 4, the score moves to 109 for the loss of 1. This is very lazy fielding today by Zalimi Chukar. They lost 4 kicks in this match. This is Roop Mir again to the batsman Salman Ashraf. He is on 28. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन बीच में यहाँ पे बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज सलमान, यहाँ पे मौका है और दिस इज विकेट ऑफ आशिक. वेरी गुड विकेट कीपिंग बाय द विकेट कीपर Ishfaq. He take wicket of Ashik, but this is a well knock of 51 runs by the batsman Ashik. He lost his wicket. This is second wicket for BCC Sultan. They lost their second wicket in the shape of Ashik. Now the new batsman is Umar for BCC Sultan. The score is 109 for the loss of 2. अब नए बल्लेबाज उमर, अब दो बाई खेल रहे हैं. Salman Ashraf and Umar are the two brothers in this team of BCC Sultan Bahrampura. (109) for the last of 2. This is Mir Roop again to the batsman. Khan Saab, hello, thank you Khan Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukatulbagh ground. Now the new batsman is on strike. Roop Mir to the batsman. Ghazi Umar, he is on strike. This is great delivery by Mir Umar. Beat the batsman Ghazi Umar. No run score remains on 109 for the loss of 2. This is 14th over of this first inning. Again Roop Mir to the batsman Ghazi Umar. This is a great shot played by the batsman Ghazi Umar. And this is 4 for Ghazi Umar, 4 for BCC Sultan Bahrampura. The score moves to 113 for the loss of 2. So Roop Mir again. This is great shot played by the batsman. And the 4 for Ghazi Umar. And the 4 for BCC Bahrampura Sultan. The score moves to 117 for the loss of 2 after 14 hours. Now 4 overs are left in this first inning. Can they give the target of 160-170 to Chukar Zalmi? This is a 14 hours up and the score on board is 117 for the loss of 2. Ghazi Umar, he is on 8 runs with the help of 2 fours. The two batsmen are also brothers, Ghazi Umar and Salman Ashraf. दो बल्लेबाज दो भाई खेल रहे हैं इस टीम BCC सुल्तान बहरामपुरा में. Salman Ashraf, he is on 28. Lala Hamid, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Salman Ashraf. He is on 28 in 20 deliveries. Can they give the target of 160, 170? अगर हम बल्लेबाजी की बात करेंगे तो एक बड़ी गहराई है चुक्कर सालमी के बल्लेबाजी में. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. दिस इज लाला हमीद अगेन टू द बैट्समैन Salman Ashraf. He is on 28. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. 6 रन दर्ज किए अपने नाम सलमान ने, अपने टीम के नाम. The score moves to 123 for the loss of 2. This is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf, the young, talented and energetic batsman of BCC Sultan Bahrampura. Salman Ashraf, he is on 34 in 21 deliveries. Again, Lala Hamid to the batsman Salman Ashraf. He is on 34. Again, the batsman playing a shot here. This is 6 for Salman Ashraf, 6 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 129. This is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. He moves on 40 in 22 deliveries. The score moves to 129 for the loss of 2. 2 sixes on 2 deliveries. Again, Lala Hamid to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Oh! और एक छक्का सलमान के बल्ले से 6 रन दर्ज किए. आधा दर्जन रन दर्ज किया अपने नाम, अपने टीम के नाम सलमान अशरफ ने. The score moves to 135 for the loss of 2. 46 individual score of Salman Ashraf. He need 4 runs to complete his 50. Salman Ashraf. This is great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. Can they give the target of 170, 180? Only 3 overs are remaining in this first inning of BCC Bahrampura. Latif Kashmiri get committed. Thank you, Latif Kashmiri sir, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Bagh ground. This is again Lala Hamid. Oh, Dandanata was Jaka. Lala Hamid gave. This is 50 for the batsman Salman Ashraf. Very well played here, Salman Ashraf. This is 4 balls, 4 sixes for Salman Ashraf. 4 गेंदों पर 4 छक्के लगाए यहाँ पे सलमान अशरफ के बल्ले से निकले. This is 50 for Salman Ashraf. The score moves to 141 for the loss of 2. This is great knock by Salman Ashraf. Lala Hamid काफी महंगे इस ओवर में 4 छक्के लगे उनके 4 गेंदों पर. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Again 6. Oh, this is again great shot played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. 6 रन दर्ज किए, आधा दर्जन रन किया दर्ज नाम अपने नाम सलमान ने, अपने टीम के नाम. The partnership moves on 38 and the individual score for Salman is 58 runs, 5 balls, 5 sixes for Salman Ashraf. क्या 6 गेंदों पर 6 छक्के लग सकते हैं सलमान की तरफ से. This is the 6th delivery, last delivery. Again 6. Oh! 6 गेंदों पे 6 छक्के लाला हमीद को. यहाँ पे उगलता हुआ सलमान अशरफ का बल्ला. 6 बालों पे 6 छक्के. This is great batting by Salman Ashraf. He is a very young, talented and energetic batsman of this team BCC Bahrampura. He moves on 64 runs with the help of 6 fours in this over. काफी महंगे साबित हुए लाला इस ओवर में. 6 बालों पे 6 छक्के लगे इस ओवर में लाला के. सलमान अशरफ उनका बल्ला आग उगलता हुआ आज. The score moves to 153 for the loss of 2 after 5 overs. Lone Rizwan, me, meow, Chukar Salmi. Thank you, Lone Rizwan sir, for your love to Chukar Salmi. This is very expensive over by Lala Hamid. 6 is on his over by the batsman Salman Ashraf. Salman Ashraf, he is on 64 in 26 deliveries. This is great knock played by Salman Ashraf. He is on non-strike. The batsman Ghazi Umar, he is on strike. Mehraj again to the batsman Ghazi Umar. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman, and this is a single for the 2 batsmen. With this single, the score moves to 154 for the loss of 2. Now Salman Ashraf, he's on strike. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज सलमान अशरफ, बीट हुए. This is great delivery by Mehraj. The score is 154 for the loss of 2. This is again Mehraj to the batsman Salman Ashraf. This is a chance of a wicket here. हवा में again, लेकिन मिस किया रूपमीर ने. This is a 4 for Salman Ashraf, 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves to 158 for the loss of 2. Mehraj again to the batsman Salman Ashraf. यहाँ पे चांस बनता है कैच लेने का. हवा में again. This is out. Very good knock by the batsman Salman Ashraf. This is end of Salman. He makes 68 runs in 29 deliveries. Very well knock played by the batsman Salman Ashraf. So this is end of third wicket. The score on board is 158 for the loss of 3. This is a great catch taken by the wicketkeeper Ishfaq. Mehraj take his second wicket in the shape of Salman Ashraf. This is the 16th over of this first evening between Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. Now the new batsman is on strike. आप सभी का इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए शुक्रिया. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले. दिस इज T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today Chukar Zalmi versus BCC Bahrampura. First BCC Bahrampura, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 15 overs, the score on board is 158 for the loss of 3. Now Mehraj, he takes 2 wickets. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Rafiq Baba, the new batsman. Oh, this is great delivery by Mehraj. Clean bowled किया इस बल्लेबाज को, Rafiq Baba को. He lost his wicket. He is on duck. This is great bowling by Mehraj. He takes his third wicket. आज लाला यहाँ पे परेशान नजर दिखाई दे रहे क्योंकि 6 बॉलों पे 6 छक्के लगे. एक रिकॉर्ड बना यहाँ पे आज लाला की बॉलिंग पे. सलमान अशरफ ने 6 गेंदों पे 6 छक्के लगाए. दिस इज ग्रेट बैटिंग बाय सलमान अशरफ टुडे एट चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड. नाउ Mehraj, he take his third wicket in the shape of Rafiq Baba. Wani Gover, best of luck Bahrampura. Thank you Wani Gover so far, you are allowed to